Well, welcome back to my garage today. Today we are taking the radiator and full front panel off the front of this Mini. Nice and simple. Now we've already got the crash bar off, I've already done a video of that. Now we are taking this plastic surround off with the radiator, and it comes off with the horns as well, both sides, this bit here. Now what there is in each arch, so we're going to go straight in. So in the arch there's one here, one there, one there, one there. These weird little screw faster clips. You literally undo the tops and then just pull them out. That brings the actual wheel arch guard away from the front panel. Another one on this side. Go around here. I've already unscrewed them, as you see. 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, that one's separate, like so. Got that in there. Then, ooh. Next, top radiator hose, which is there, and then the bottom radiator hose, and then the bottom radiator hose we're going to pit for. On these, there is no drain on the radiator, so I'll show you what I do. Let's go down. So what I do, I pop the bottom hose, you can see on there, and I'll stick a little screwdriver up underneath the rubber, which makes a little gap so we can drain the fluid out. And then let's pull this screwdriver out, 2 seconds. Screwdriver out, there we go. And then rather than sitting under here and pulling it out and getting a mouthful of water, go back up top. There's a hole here, see it? If you look down in there, the bottom radiator hose is in there. You take your arm, put it in there, grab the hose, off she comes. Then, there's another clip here, see this? So I'll show you. So, next there's a clip here, radiator, see that? Comes through there, squeeze them together. Pop that off. Which is there, see that? Horns, cabling down here, goes back through a hole in there. Same that side, bosh. Right, so there's a couple more bolts. One down in there, see it? Right there. And then one down there as well, got it? So you take them out. So, well, there we go. Top hose now. Sits around in there. Off she comes. Theoretically, same on this side. Can we lift these off? So these arms have to come out. So have a go. 15 and 16. We got it. Sit. One. Two. One arm. Come on, back. Right, next one. So. Become all my bits. I go back in that box. So there's that one. Go on that side. Back in there. This one. Woo! Should be. Right, so there you go. Both arms are out, 16mm bolts, 4 clips there, 4 clips holding that in, plug at the top corner, up there, hose up there, hose down there, and theoretically, there she go. And then we take this outside, and there you go, there you have it, front panel off. I'm warming out the engine now. Hope that's been helpful. If it has, like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll go from there. And this is an R53 Coupe S Mini.